Hello, thanks for watching this video. Open a horizontal or vertical template in Photoshop. Double-click to edit the Smart Layer Replace. Place a photo on a document. Close the temporary file. Click Save in the dialog window. The basic blur effect is suitable for portraits. This can be turned off. The BW Effect layer group contains options for realistic black and white effects. Contrast options can be added in the Contrast Effect group. Above are matte effects that will soften the photo further. Next, you can select an overlay texture from the Dark Textures group. You can adjust the strength of any effect with the layer's transparency. Select also a texture from the group Light Textures. You can combine and transform textures for the best look. You can add one of the overlays from the Film Grain Effect group. And finally, toning a little in sepia shades from the layers of the Sepia Effects group. Your beautiful vintage photo is ready. Check out other templates from the Photo Time Machine Ultimate Collection.